Look at the puppy go. Ready? Go, puppy, go! Go, puppy! I bet. Oh, let's go back to the sky. Lightning is getting a little more frequent. I know. I need a Franklin badge right about now.
Yeah, Franklin badge.
Franklin badge. Where's Emil when we need him?
Yeah, really.
Chugga, bring your Franklin badge. I'm gonna go check out this rock over here. I'm wondering what the hell it is. Yeah. So I don't know how I'm gonna edit this video. I keep having to like stop and start the video to zoom in on shit and zoom out and whatnot, and big tree and behind it's a rock. Behold this giant rock. Clearly it was my destiny to behold this giant rock. Oh, maybe. Dina veterans who served in the Civil War. It's cool. Let's observe it. I would go with a Nissic rock, but I'm not entirely sure. It looks like a Nissic rock, but like here though, like this texture here, it's got more of a granity. Oh, look at the cool spider. Oh, you can't see him because I'm too close. Hold on. There he goes. He's running. You see him? Look at him go! Spider! Oh, where'd he go? Where is he? Oh, wait. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I lost him. There he is. He's all like, what's going on? Are you filming me? I am indeed filming you. I like you going in and out of focus, sorry. So now we just wait for the storm, I guess. I don't even know where Tim went. Did he go? Where'd he go? Oh, he's over there. Look at that. Can't really see him that well. So, I guess we can walk over there. Not his day, but we can go walk over there. Just walking over there. On a pier. Is it? I'd like to buy Boardwalk for $400. Ooh, oh wow, yeah. Well, let's get some shots of the lightning. Hold on, let me. Alright guys, so it's really windy, but we got lightning going on all over. Ooh, I'm just kind of like focusing on this one spot, hoping for a good lightning. Oh, there we go, got it, yeah. Nope, couple good ones. Yeah. Oop, I'm gonna go. Ooh, that was a nice little shadow. Kind of like panning. Oh, wow, yeah. And it's getting really cold and windy. Somebody's gonna start dropping houses and shit.
Yeah.
Look at that. You saw it. Oh, they got a corner of two of them. It was like right in the middle of both. Yeah. Probably. Ooh, do we have lightning on this side or no?
No, nothing here.
No, this side is completely calm. I got a speck on my lens, bro. Is that on my lens?
Wow.
I think so. Hold on.
My camera.
I don't know. I got a light. We just go. Oh wow. Oh hey yeah. Oh, wow. wow, huge gust of warm wind. We got a huge gust of warm wind now. We're not so cold. And I have to speak really loud over the wind. We're at Lake Winnebago in Neenah, Wisconsin. The average temperature is ranging between 40 and 83. And we're waiting for a tornado to touch my balls. Yeah, all the lightning is on this side. Yeah. So we're here with a resident of the city, Mr. Timothy Bishop, out here with us observing the weather. Tim, can you give us an insight of reading on what's going on right now?
Havoc. That about covers it. Wind. Stilted. Cast. 2 MP. Somebody spent 2 MP.
Do you think the tornado will be touching down anytime soon?
Yeah. But probably be over the other side. Towards Appleton.
And what do you think about these random strikes of lightning going on right now?
Wow. Oh, wait, I got it. Oh, Lucagen, is that you? I don't know.
Those darn silly aeons. There's hair in my face.
Oh.
It's just hanging out, right there. Ooh, and we're getting warm wind now. And the birds are going crazy! Wild Pokemon are fleeing to the scene of this weather disaster. Thanks, Professor Oak.
Oh, that was Professor Ivy.
Alright everyone, so we just came from the lake.
I can't believe it.
And we came out to the family video. We're about 6 blocks from the apartments where we live. At a family video. It's windy, but now it's warm again. Like, it was freezing by the lake, and now it's warm, and you can kind of see, I don't know if it'll show, but you can see there's actually lightning going on. So, I don't know.
Weird.
I mean,
north of us is the lake, but there's, well,
kind of north. But anyway, but no, it's weird. I mean, because the storm, wow. I know. Look at my beard. It's really nice and long. Dude, if I didn't have my hair tied back, that'd be even crazier. So, anyway, I could be like a Pantene Pro V commercial. Have it all blown in the wind or some shit. Anyway, so we're gonna go pick up some movies and looking at my beard. It's so tantalizing, isn't it? Alright, bye guys.